Two new faces this year for Atlanta in the starting lineup. Dwight Howard now here with, as we mentioned, Al Horford in Boston. And with Jeff Teague in Indiana, Dennis Schroeder is now the starter. Korver connects. Knicks caught napping. Poor defense there from Courtney Lee. Bazemore gets free on an inbound pass. Korver. It's just so quick. Korver comes off that screen, as good as it gets in the NBA doing that.
Looking forward to that one. I'm doing that one with you too, partner. I can't wait.
Howard gets his own rebound off the miss, and Korver nails the three. Those are crushing plays. Delaney back out to Hardaway, fakes the pass. Korver's there. Millsap inside. Porzingis right with him. Back out. Korver open three, and that's where Hernan Gomez has to learn. You can't leave Korver.
He's a really underrated outside jump shooter.
Korver on the move. Obviously, that was Justin Holiday who hit that shot. Korver draws the foul and one. With 1:04 remaining, that could cut it to 8. And a nice bounce back after Thursday's poor performance in Washington, D.C.